even and come to the galleys, more stations to prepare. In the 330 we used to have one in the back, so it got crowded sometimes for the service. So also now it's the flow of the service is more better, and of course the air is different than on the Airbuses because the system of the filters and the air is coming from outside, so it's not filtering the same air like on Air 320 Airbuses. So you can feel the differences when we do the 10 hours flight to Manila. You don't feel the dryness much, you feel more fresh, not tired. I'm not saying Airbus is like it's a bad thing, of course, but the same differences. For us.
From Bahrain. I am with Gulf Air since beginning, since graduated from flying school. Started as flying cadet with Gulf Air. Almost 80 years ago. Sorry, not 30 years ago. 30 years ago.
So your entire career is Gulf Air.
Yes.
Which aircraft did you fly before?
I started on Boeing 737-200. And then moved to 320. With Gulf Air, they changed. They removed all the 737. They were all, phased out, and they replaced it by 320s. And then moved to 330, 340, back to 330, and then on Boeing 787.
And how does the 787 compare to the other aircraft that you flew before?
Oh, it's very nice aircraft. It's the latest technology. Boeing. It's slightly different than Airbus, Both are very good. They make very nice aircraft. Boeing and Airbus, but I prefer this one.
Yeah, it's the best aircraft you flew ever?
Yes.
Yeah.
I can say so.
What about you? What's your name and how long have you been?
My name is Fatou Talabi. I've been working with Gulf Air for 9 years. Started off on the Airbus 320-21, and 3 years ago, in 2000 and almost 3 years, started on the 787-2018, and that's about it.
But you were one of the few women in Gulf Air that is pilots, right?
Yeah, we have a couple of first officers,
Yeah.
almost 6, 7, 8, I can't keep count. We also have a second officer recently joining. We have a female captain who's on the 320-21. She's also a trainer on the same aircraft on the Airbus.
How does it feel? Do you usually see like little girls that see you and inspire themselves? How does it feel? How do you feel like being one of the few female pilots in the organization?
I feel very proud because it's not only I'm representing the company, I'm representing my country as well, the Kingdom of Bahrain. So it makes me very proud to be one of those few people that can have this pride and represent the country and the company.